Right, news just coming in. Reports are emerging of two independent lawmakers have withdrawn their support for the Congress-JDS government in Karnataka. This is news just coming in that at least two independent lawmakers have withdrawn their support to the Congress-JDS government in the southern Indian state of Karnataka. And for more on this story, I am now joined by my colleague Nishita Virendra from Bengaluru. Nishita, walk us through the details in this political crisis emerging in Karnataka this moment.
Well, the trouble that was only in rumours so far has become very real for the Congress-JDS government in Karnataka, as two independent MLAs, H. Nagesh as well as R. Shankar, who had extended support to the coalition government, have withdrawn support, and they have also gone on record and have stated that they are unhappy with the way the coalition government is functioning. They were brought into the fold of the coalition government by being promised plum posts and by being promised cabinet berths, but they haven't received that, and that is the reason why they are withdrawing support. They are not under any pressure of sorts, and they have done it out of their own will. Now, this comes in the backdrop of several days of murmurs doing the rounds that there are at least 4 Congress MLAs who have decided to switch over to the BJP side. Now, 4 Congress MLAs were incommunicado until yesterday. That number is down to 3 this time around, and all 3 of them are holed up in a hotel in Mumbai where they are in talks with MLA Ashwath Narayan. The rest of the BJP MLAs are in a hotel in Gurgaon in Haryana, and all of them are being holed up there, as the BJP is also alleging that there are efforts being made from the Congress and JDS to poach their MLAs. So it seems to be happening both ways. But coming down to the numbers, Ramesh, the ruling coalition is now reduced to a wafer-thin margin. Now, in the 224-member assembly, which is excluding the speaker, the magic number is 113. And currently, if we exclude the 2 independent MLAs for withdrawing their support, and also the 3 Congress MLAs who are incommunicado, it comes down to 115. If any more MLAs withdraw support, or if any more MLAs decide to not side with the coalition government, and the BJP feels confident enough that they have enough MLAs on their side, then they can ask for a trust vote. And if the trust vote is held, then there is a possibility that the coalition government will fail this trust vote. The BJP had to hold their horses for 6 months after Kumaraswamy managed to prove majority on the floor of the House in May last year. But now it seems like trouble coming up once again, and it seems very likely at the moment that Congress could be staring at a possibility of losing more of their MLAs.
Right. Thank you, Nishita. That was my colleague Nishita Virendra reporting live from Bengaluru.